Welcome to this magical journey of grounding and connection to self. To begin, make yourself comfortable and close your eyes. Take 3 deep breaths by inhaling through your nose and exhaling through your mouth. Relax your muscles and any tension in your body. Relax your legs, your tummy, your arms, your shoulders, your jaw. You will now visualize yourself in a beautiful forest. Observe your surroundings. Notice the sounds, the smells, and the sensations on your skin. You are walking peacefully along a path. A sparkle draws your attention to a hedge of cedars. You find a door with your name on it. Just below your name, you read the inscription, "Open me and enter your magical meadow." You slowly open the door. You now find yourself in a vast meadow full of flowers and filled with sunshine. This is your meadow. Nobody will disturb you there. You see a bench carved out of a very comfortable tree trunk with the words, "Ground yourself," written on it. You sit down gently. You are calm and peaceful. Now you take another few deep breaths, breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. With each breath, you will feel roots growing from your feet and into the earth. Your roots are now so deep that they are connected to the earth's core. Now, with each breath, you will feel the energy of the earth activate each of your chakras. You take a deep breath and feel the earth's energy moving up to your tailbone where your root chakra is. You breathe in again to bring that energy up to your sacral chakra at the level of your pelvic floor. On your next breath, the earth energy will rise slightly above your navel, where your solar plexus is. Again, you breathe in to bring the energy up to the heart chakra in the middle of your chest. Inhale again and bring the energy up to the throat chakra. On your next breath, let the earth energy rise to your third eye between your eyebrows. Now inhale and let the energy flow through to your crown chakra on the top of your head. Your 7 energy centers are now activated. Take some time to notice the sensations in your body. You will now imagine a beam of golden, soothing, and healing light above your head. This light enters you through your crown chakra and cleanses your chakras one by one. Your crown chakra, your third eye, your throat chakra, your heart chakra, your solar plexus, your sacral chakra, and finally, your root chakra. You are now enveloped in this bright golden light. Take some time to enjoy this moment. You are gradually becoming aware of your surroundings, the sounds, the smells, the sensations, your feet against the floor, take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Move your toes, your fingers, your head. And when you feel ready, open your eyes.